Kung bago ka sa investing, dapat alam mo ang Rule of 72. Sabi nga ni Albert Einstein, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it, and he who doesn't, pays it. So ano nga ba ang Rule of 72? This is simple computation kung saan with a specific interest rate, pwede mo malaman kung gaano katagal magdodoble ang investment mo. For example, nakakita ka ng investment vehicle with a 6% interest rate. Kung i-apply natin ang Rule of 72, 72 divided by 6, that will be 12 years. So kung mag-i-invest ka ng 50,000 one time, it will take 12 years para maging 100,000 yung investment mo. Ang galing, no? Pero how can you take advantage compound interest? There are two ways. Number one is you let your investment grow over time. Yung 50,000 mo, on its 12th year, that is 100,000. On its 24th year, that is 200,000. On its 36th year naman, that is 400,000. And on 48th year, that is 800,000. Based dito, yung 50,000 mo is nag-grow ng 16 times after 48 years. So, kung natatagalan ka naman dito, here's number 2. Mas mapapabilis ang pag-grow ng pera mo if you consistently invest throughout the years. For example, mag-i-invest ka yearly ng 50,000 with the same interest rate and let's say gagawin mo ito for 10 years. Your money can go up to 690,000. That is almost the same amount sa first example natin but 5 times faster. Yes, kung titignan mo, mas malaki yung in-invest mo kung ganito yung gagawin mo. Pero this also can give you bigger returns if you will do this consistently. So what can you get from this? Number 1, that you should take advantage of time pagdating sa investing. As early you invest, mas malaki yung return na pwede mong makuha. Number 2, kung meron kang disiplina na you will do investing regularly, mas mapapabilis yung goal mo. And lastly, number 3, this may take a lot of time, pero at least kung sisimulan mo to as early as possible, this can help your future self na pwede niyang gamitin yung investment na to for business, educational fund, and retirement. Rule of 72 is just a tool na pwede mo magamit on your investing journey. Pero if you wanna learn more pagdating sa investments, you can join my community Hustle District sa Facebook. Doon sinishare ko lahat from personal development, finance, investments, and even crypto. And kung gusto mo naman matutunan ang proper way to invest, you can message me and let me help you with that. Yun lang.